My name, favorite color, by my side.
Hello and welcome friends, how are you? I hope all are good. Today I am going to show about this viral reel which is going viral on Instagram. If you want tutorial on this reel, keep watching this video. Without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. But before starting the tutorial, if you want reel editing videos, you can subscribe my channel for more notifications. So guys, let's continue. First, install the VN application to make this video, which is easily found on Play Store. When you open this application, you will get interface like this. You need 5 photos to make this video. To import the photos from phone library, click on plus icon and new project option. So in this way you have to take photos like this, and guys have to delete the VN default clip. Then click on the drop down and select the ratio of 9.16. Now guys, note the photos duration. First photo duration is 1.50 second, second photo duration is 1.20 second, then 2.40 second, and next is 1.14 second, and last is 0.79 second. Okay, in this way you have to keep photos duration. Now we will add the music on here. Music link given in the description. You have to download reel video. After that we will extract the audio from that reel. Okay, so to extract the audio, click on the plus icon and then music option, then click on the plus icon and extract from video option. Okay, now select that reel video from here which you have downloaded. Now you will click on OK and click on the choose option and done from here. In this way music will be added. Now guys, you have to type the text on your photos. To add the text, click on plus icon and text option. Okay, and input the title on here. First title is your name, so I have to type like this. Okay, and have to done from here. Now you will increase your timeline and have to cut from here. Select the timeline and there is a split option. Cut from here. Second, cut from here. Again select the timeline and split on here. Okay, again select it and split from here. Okay, you can see text is divided into 5 parts. So click on the second text timeline and click on edit option and remove this text. Now you have to type your age. So here I have to type my age. Okay, now done from here. Now guys, click on the next timeline and click the edit option. Remove this text and here you type your favorite color. So my favorite color is, for example, is brown. Okay, and have to done from here. Okay, now click the next timeline. Okay, and edit from here again and type here your height. So my height is 5'2". Okay, and done from here. Now you click the last text timeline and edit from here. Remove this text and type here your sign. So my sign is Aquarius. Okay, now you can select the fonts from here according to you, and you have to click on the apply to all option. Okay, you can see font have been applied in all, and also you can select the text color. To select the color, click on any text timeline and edit from here. Now you have to click on color grading option and select the color according to your choice. So I have to select yellow color. Okay, have to click on apply to all option, and also color have been applied in the text. Okay, now guys, you can increase the text size and can place anywhere. Okay, now your video is completed. You can save this video. Click on export option and done from here. Now you have to click on save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want reel editing tutorials. So friends, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.